Rob Frazier here, this video talking about building back up in 2022 in Bitcoin, building Bitcoin in 2022. Myself, personally, I'm actually building myself back up when it concerning Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, different things like that. Just kind of had a crazy past couple of years on top of what's already been going on out there in the world. So what I always tell people, and this worked for me at my height, at my highest, making, I don't know, 3,000-4,000 a week trading Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin US dollar, Litecoin US dollar. I was trading all sorts of different things. And, I don't say that to brag. I just say that because of the training within this company. This company, the first company I'm talking about is ICoin Pro. The guy you see here is one of the founders of it. A very calculated, simple plan to trade Bitcoin. Way back when I first got in Bitcoin, it was like $700 a coin. And then it went all the way up, went all the way down. But the beauty about this system is that it doesn't matter if Bitcoin is going up or down. You will be presented a simple way to trade it and to profit no matter what's going on. Things are going up, the market's going up, the market's going down, market's going crazy, market's going sideways. Doesn't matter. In my case, I actually know quite a few people on Facebook. Income disclaimer, these people have been following this plan for a long time. There's like 3 or 4 people who made it a point to only start their trading account with $500 and are now $4,000 and $5,000 a week. When ICoin Pro first came out, what happened was a lot of marketers flocked to ICoin Pro to promote it, myself included. Not a lot of marketers actually took the time to learn how to trade, which is a little bit different. In my case, I learned how to trade, but I kept withdrawing the money to do other things with it. And what I should have done was just stayed the course and kept trading. So what I tell people, it doesn't matter if your back's against the wall, it doesn't matter what kind of situation you're in. That's why I'm kind of doing this series as well, just to kind of build up my own self as well. Starting from scratch, nothing again. Not scratch nothing, but pretty much scratch nothing compared to where I was trading before. And before I started from scratch nothing. I started with $1,000 in my own trading account. Got to a point where I was earning $3,000-4,000 a week. But then I withdrew the whole amount to do other projects because I needed all the money, and some of those things have fell through. Lesson learned, I should have just kept trading, but whatever. Bygones be bygones. So, I don't want to make this video sound sad and depressing, because it's really not. It's a simple way of trading, and what I tell people, look, if you get paid, and then this is what I do. I get paid in affiliate marketing earnings. I take 10% of my money. I put 5%, so I take 10%, right? 5% goes into my personal trading accounts, and 5% goes into a couple of solid passive Bitcoin opportunities. So that way I don't always have to be stuck here looking at the computer waiting for alerts to trade, because I just don't have that time. That's why I do both. 10% of I make $1,000, I take 100. 50 goes into my personal trading account, wherever I decide to put it, and the other 50 goes into a passive opportunity. And if anything happens to that passive opportunity, I still have money over here in my trading account, so no real big thing. So ICoin Pro is the first place. The second place, highly recommend going, is Edward Keats' system here. It's called Mega Marketing Pro. This system revolves around a couple of passive crypto opportunities. One of them is Pariba, which I am a part of. And the other one is Elevate Pass, which is on the marketing side of this Mega Marketing Pro system. You can create a free account in ICoin Pro. You can learn how to trade the buy to dip strategy 100% for free. Both of the links will be below this video. And you can also get a free Mega Marketing Pro account. Come through this page, you can create your account, whatever the page looks like. You create your account, and you can get a Paribas account for free just to check everything out. So those are two places. The Mega Marketing Pro Paribas side is the passive opportunity, Elevate Pass. They also have another opportunity, Royal Q, but I'm not a part of that yet. Again, building the whole thing back up. And ICoin Pro. So ICoin Pro is actively learning how to trade, trading on your own money. Mega Marketing Pro, Paribas, Elevate Pass, that half is more of a passive route. And so what I do, money comes in, 10%, even if I was flipping burgers, I take 10% of my paycheck, 5% in my own trading account, 5% in a passive solid opportunity, and just build it up to a point to where I didn't need to work anymore. And so that's the plan. Right now, with the passive side, I think I'm earning, and I haven't really promoted it too hard. I didn't do hardly any videos. I send one email out a week with the strategy, and I'm like 25, 30 bucks a week, growing my passive Paribas, Elevate Pass, and then my personal trading account. Keep my mouth shut on that one because I don't want anything happening to it. But same. Either which way, name's Rob Frazier, links below. We will see you in the next video.